how would RAG help us delete data when it's trained? Or are you saying that we don't train data with PII information at all and
So
use
it
RAG?
just so GDPR, right? You get a request, you have to delete information, right?
Yeah.
You have no way of delete. Like you go to GPT-4, how do you delete information from it? You train the model again,
Yep.
right? Here, this is the wrong thing I was trying to pull up. Where are we? Here. If you have a database here, right? It only answers questions that it's getting answers from the database. You just delete those documents from the database, and you're done.
So
Right?
basically, we don't train the LLM with any PII data, most likely.
All the LLM needs to do is have a good. It's kind of like to understand, like you do written comprehension, or I would at school, right? You do this test, and where you read a passage and you answer a bunch of questions like, "What is this person's motivation? Why did they do this?" Blah blah. That's what a model needs to be able to do. It needs to understand English or French or Arabic or whatever. It needs to have a good level of understanding of the language. It doesn't need to know every fact in the world. It just needs to be a good reader and comprehender. And then you don't need to actually retrain a model very often, if at all. You just need to have an up-to-date database that has a good retrieval system, and then it needs to be able to retrieve the documents, understand the question, and then take documents and answer it.